Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by connecting the two computers with the appropriate transfer cable. Use a certified USB bridging cable or Thunderbolt link. Once connected, set both machines to a private network profile and enable file sharing so they can see each other. Make sure you are signed in with administrator rights on both sides and temporarily pause real-time antivirus or folder indexing. This prevents file locks or slowdowns. Next, open Network Settings and confirm both PCs display in the network browser before proceeding. Once Discovery is working, map the remote folder as a network drive so you get a stable path. You can right-click /computer/share and choose Map Network Drive. If detection fails, give each PC a static IP on the same subnet and access via /192, 168, 2, 10 older. For bulk moves, use robocopy with /mirror-to-mirror directories. This preserves timestamps and retries on errors. Make sure NTFS permissions, grant your account read and write, and verify the first small file copy before finish by validating that files arrived intact. Compare sizes or run a checksum tool like sudo-hashfile on a sample. Once satisfied, unmap the network drive, re-enable your firewall and antivirus protections, then safely eject or unplug the transfer cable. If something goes wrong, stop, check cable compatibility and device drivers, and look for IP conflicts or locked files, then retry with robocopy/Z for restartable copies. Remember, cleaning up shares prevents lingering access and keeps both PCs secure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.